you can now add borders between your sections on Squarespace. Now, someone correct me if I'm wrong, but I'm pretty sure I've never done a video on this. If I have, well, at least this is an updated version. So what I'm going to do is show you where it lives, show you how to customize it, and then show you how to make it look good. All right, so we're on our site here, and let's say I want to match this border at the bottom of the header to a border at the bottom of the section. I'd click on edit, and then I would go into edit section, and then I'd find divider. I'd click on that, and then if I want to match the above, I'd keep the stroke on, I guess we'd call this solid, make the color from the palette, which would be black, and then make the thickness roughly small. Maybe if I wanted to go thinner, I would go edit section, and I'd head back here, thickness, and I would drop that down to 1px, which you can now see. It doesn't have that stupid blue line. There we go. You can see it matches up with this. So that's how you would match this. That's a thin divider. Now you can also put shapes. So if we click on these, or this icon, you can actually change the shape of that divider. So let's just say it's a wave. No, let's do this. That looks better. You can also shuffle this about, by the way. But let's go with the wave, and then small height, large width. Yeah, okay, medium height, large width. But basically you can change the width of the shape if you want it just to, if you don't want it to repeat. Just do large. You can see it repeats the shape more and more, the smaller the width. Now in terms of the divider itself, and you can flip it, but in terms of the divider itself, we've got, or the border of the divider, should I say, we've got a no stroke, which just keeps the shape. Then we've got the line, which we can make thicker, like so. And then we've got the dotted stroke. So again, we can change the thickness. We can change the width of the dash itself. We can change the gap, so the width of the gap between each dash. And then we can round the corners of the dash if we wish. Let's imagine I'm actually designing this. I'm looking at this and I'm thinking, the slant doesn't look great. So what I'd do is I'd click into here, I'd use straight line, or maybe I would use this and then I would flip it like this. Yeah, it still doesn't look great, but let's just imagine it does. Head down, let's make this, what color from the palette would work well? I mean, we could pick something random. No, let's go from the palette. Let's do this, I don't know, gold or bronze, whatever you want to call that. So, okay, looking good. Hit save, whenever you're happy. Great. And you can see we've got the divider. I'm still not happy, so let's go back in one more time. Edit section, bring this in so you can see it. Head to the divider, and then let's take the shape off entirely. And maybe let's make this a solid line and large thickness. That looks better to me. It looks a bit classier. Save, exit. If we blow this up, you can see, yeah, that looks cleaner. And now we've got that divider between sections. If you just want to check it out on mobile, you can also see it there. So hopefully that was nice and simple. If you found it useful, please make sure to leave a like and hit subscribe. And if you want me to build your Squarespace website, you can get in touch using the links in the description.